friends, welcome back to my channel. This is me Agya Matya, and in this video I'm going to show you a detailed video on how I built Pluto the chatbot. So let's start. All the hardware connections are done in previous video. Now I am going to install firmware. For this we need Flash tool and ESP32 Chatbot firmware. Now follow the same process what I am doing. Now the firmware installation is finished. Just press reset button and you will see new Wi-Fi as shown in the video. Now open any browser and type IP address as shown in the video. You will see this page. Just click your SSID and type your password and connect it.
Enter the Wi-Fi configuration mode.
Now go to this website and enter the code displayed by LCD. Now click Start Using. Now you will see this page. Now click Configure Role. Here give your assistant name. In role introduction, you can type what your chatbot wants you to help, like AI, studies, sports, etc. Now I will type my assistant name, Pluto.
Hey everyone!
Voice
I'm a girl who
assistant
really loves to do
type.
meditation. When I sit down cross-legged, close my eyes and focus on my breath, it's like entering a peaceful world of my own. I feel my body and mind gradually relaxing. All the stress and worries seem to fade away.
Now I will do copy and paste. Finally, I will choose language model Queen 3 because it responds fast. All setting is done. Now press save button and press reboot and start talking with it. Thank you for watching my video and please do like, share, subscribe my channel. If you have any problems in building Pluto the chatbot, please comment below. So please do like, share, subscribe my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Bye bye.